How to stack elements and make website responsive in Wix Studio. So if you want to stack elements, what you can do is just head over and then click onto those elements that you want to stack. For example, I'll stack in here this welcome text and then just click onto the shift button onto your keyboard and then select the next element. Then select the next until you actually selected everything. Now, once you have done that, you can choose in here this group elements option. And then from in there, you should be able to see that there are already one in system. So what you can do is you can just click onto them, click onto this edit text option, and then you can just proceed to edit them however you like. You can adjust their margins as well as everything that actually involves it. So you can also drag them in one place. Like for example, you can click on any one of them and then just drag them to anywhere you want it to be. So that's how you stack elements and make website responsive in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.